Thanks for stopping by. This is Calendar Snack. You'll see I'm in the dashboard. Many things happen in a dashboard. Can't get them all done in a few minutes, so we're going to focus on something called send invites right here. So that said, you'll see that quickly under view, if I was to drill into one of these, it drills you into this subset of the reporting engine here, and we're tracking calendar invite receipts right here, excuse me. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go back to something called VIP list. There's 4 ways in which you can essentially gather our scripts and our code to do things to a calendar invite. But today I'm looking at VIP list. This is the feature function that allows you to send a calendar invite to a list, or sometimes called bulk list. So in this file system here, I have a list. There's only 11. We allow up to 100 to be processed for our sample application. The sample application comes with a calendar server. So when you buy it as a kit for a developer or end user, you will get this interface as well. And you can adjust this. Right now we have it 100 max as for test or show home app here. You can literally set it to any number you want. Let me show you my list real quick. You'll see there's no fakery there, and I'm going to go ahead and process this list. Now I'm going to do it for the Tennessee Titans on the 8th. So that just kind of brings me into this wild picker. I'll make the picker a little bigger so you can see it. There is the Tennessee Titans right here. So now you can see that I have all the NFL games loaded. There's about 260 left here in the season. So I've picked the Tennessee Titans at Chicago Bears. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Sorry for the whiplash. With 260 games, there's no other way to do it. I'm going to say click this VIP button. This is going to send the calendar invite to these 11 I've selected in the picker. And you'll see visually they are coming up and they're queuing. So at 9/8 at 11 a.m., Tennessee Titans at the Chicago Bears. I'm sending out 11 calendar invites to these people right here. And I have, for demo purposes, access to a couple of these in which I can show you the calendar invitations themselves being sent. So right here, you'll see just a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago, there's one that just showed up from Calendar Snack. It's right there. I'm going to say yes to that event. I'm going to go back, pick out another one. That was Greg at TechVader. You'll see that right there. Excuse me, Greg at TechVader. Let me go to Mandy at TechVader. She just got it too, so she's going to say maybe. This data now is communicating back out of the S3 bucket, and the S3 bucket itself is going to Dynamo database, and it's talking to this interface here. And this interface, I'm going to go show you here quickly, is gathering these calendar invite receipts. So when I go to get reports and I go for the 8th, I'm going to drill down to the Titans. There's only 17 of them. It should be a little cleaner in the data set here as I scroll. There's the Tennessee Titans there, the one that was canceled. Obviously, that's not the one we're looking at. We're looking at the one here. You'll see that I send out 11 invitations. You saw that live. Two people, Mandy and Greg, have responded back. There's an 18% view, or excuse me, a 36% view. 11 that have responded. A total of 4 now have responded back. Those are my other friends in my calendar invite network that are responding back to this data set. So that said, 1 have accepted, 2 as a tentative, and 1 has declined for a total of 4. Now, if I want to see this detailed report of the RSVP data, I'm going to click Get Invitee Report. And under Get Invitee Report, it's going to come to a Outlook report here. And that is because the name of the organizer in this case is Football Schedule at Outlook.com. So you just heard it come in. I'm the commanding officer, if you will, or organizer for all these events. We send all this data back only to the organizer for PII information only. And when I click it, you'll see that these are the people who have responded. Let me make this a little bigger. I don't think I can. Let me give it a try. I don't believe it does. Okay, so under this picker here, you'll see that Greg accepted, Arnie declined, Arnie here, and this other one said tentative, and then we have another accepted here, or maybe. Okay, here's the other tentative for Mandy. So Mandy was tentative, Arnie was tentative, Arnie declined it on this one, and then I accepted here on this one here, Greg at TechVader. So that's our granulated details of our data. That's summarized here on the S3 buckets. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out.